Here we come to the elevators at the College of Graduate Social Work at University of Houston, Texas. Excuse me for chewing because I just ate a snack, so pardon about my mouth. But anyways, let's right here we go. Listen to that chime. I don't know if this is either a Dover or an ESCO. Here we are, 4. I don't know what brand this elevator is. GAL interlock. I think this used to be either an ESCO or something. Oh, I gotta listen to that chime again. This was definitely GAL equipment. ESCO has the cell fixtures. Yeah, I know a lot of people are probably starting to get tired, if I'm not mistaken. I want to go outside and sample the chime. And I just got done eating as well. Here's your phone. I was eating a snack, so you probably heard my mouth chewing like during the beginning of the video. So I do apologize if it sounded audible. But anyways, we're gonna get outside and ring the bell. I really want to hear this chime. Alright, let's go down to 1. And we'll get the other elevator car. This obviously had GAL, as you can see. This obviously had like GAL type of equipment. I'll let you listen to the chime. No chime? Oh, we got this one. The button sticks. That is the most obnoxious fan that I've ever heard. Here we are at 4. See if the bell works. Similar to the other elevator. There's your phone right there. ADA compliant. I'm gonna send this up 1 floor because I want to hear the cowbell on the other elevator. It's not what you call a cowbell chime, which is quite rare. All right, let's see if it works. And you hear the motor on the other elevator car. I'm glad I sampled that cowbell chime. That's what Jason calls it. All right. There it goes. And that's it.